So when you're preparing for moving out, there's several things that you need to have. Most obvious is money, a budget. You also have to have an affordable apartment or a house. Some of the other things are, how are you going to move? Are you going to have a friend with a truck, or are you going to get a U-Haul or a budget truck? These are all things that you need to take into consideration before you. This cool little checklist is available on our blog for free. Now we're going to move into the bigger overall checklist that talks about your pre and post move. So this checklist is for your pre-move out checklist. So this is the checklist for your pre-move out. And it has everything laid out from the preparation, the planning, budgeting, checking your credit, determining how you're going to move. Talks a little bit about the supplies, the food, cleaning, and all that. Then after that, it moves into the post-move. All right, so what do you do once you've actually moved? You got to get renter's insurance, set up your utilities, your internet, your files, Verizon, what have you. And then from there, you also have to forward your mail, get your trash set up, contact your creditors, change your address to make sure that they're aware of that. After that, we go into the post-move checklist regarding the household items, kitchen food, accessories, bedroom, bathroom, living room, what have you. So it's a pretty extensive list that goes over almost everything you need to get ready to move, your pre-move to your post-move. So if you're interested, check it out in the link below, and we look forward to seeing you on the blog. The YouTube, subscribe and hit the bell, and we look forward to seeing you.